Hard to Engine. Today I'm going to show you how to start one of these from a Jeep Wrangler to a Trailblazer. So this is my Trailblazer. This is the gas lit tank right here. I ain't gonna be replacing this one with a Jeep Wrangler. I believe it's a 90s ones, but I'll put the make and model up here and the screen. So I'm gonna be replacing this one with this one. And I know you guys could get the newer Jeep Wrangler ones, like the 07 or 8, but it's not gonna fit because the original, the Jeep Wrangler that size is 6 inches, which is just this. This one is 7 inches, which I have a 1/4 inch on each side to drill, and that's why the holes are towards the end. So this is my first video. I'm putting Jeep Wrangler parts on this Trailblazer, and I'm gonna be doing much more. But you know, first thing first, I got to move these bolts. So este es mi Trailblazer. Voy a estar cambiando la tapadera de gas. This one right here. Este no. This one. Este. Y luego está poniendo de Jeep Wrangler. Son de los 90, más que ponerle el modelo acá arriba. Y en los 2006, 2007, esos Wranglers, todo el size de este es más pequeño, son 6 pulgadas. De Trailblazer aquí son 6 pulgadas, no le va a quedar. So, le busqué uno de 90, los hoyos están más acá salidos, para que le pueda quedar bien centrado. So, aquí empezamos primero, quitar los tornillos. Este es el 932 o 932. I have this on hand, might as well. I do have impact in the back, but I don't want to get it right now. So I am going to eyeball this. I have more trust on my eyeballing than measurements because I'm trying to make something fit that is not supposed to be in there. So esto lo voy a poner con el, voy a dar las medidas con el ojo. So remember that the hardest part here is I want this level, this flag. Lo más difícil quiero es poner este bandera nivel. No lo quiero chueco así. I don't want to crack it like that or like that. Lo quiero perfecto. I want it perfect. So do be careful when installing this. Ten cuidado instalando esto, because this rim is going to scratch the paint. So este pedazo de metal sí va a rayar la pintura. Eso es lo que quiero que ustedes piensen. Something you guys want to think about. So you can always put a seal here. They do sell them on Amazon or eBay. Puedes poner un sello aquí, entonces lo venden en eBay or Amazon. So I already marked the holes. I marked the two on the top and the bottom. I'm just gonna drill them straight with the piece in there, with the piece on there. If I mark it, because if I evened out everything, so all the holes were even and all the holes hit this curvature. So puse todos los hoyos a la misma distancia, más que está todo en el labio. And I don't know if you guys ever drilled into sheet metal or curvature sheet metal. No sé si nunca nos hicieron hoyo en un metal que así con esta curva. It always goes bad. It's gonna look horrible. It's gonna look dented, ding. So I'm just gonna do the two on the top and two inside the sheet metal. So I'm gonna hacer los de arriba y dos acá adentro. That's it. Goes nothing. Another tip, before you guys mark them, you could put masking tape for the paint won't crack. So antes que, you know, un tip, antes que lo marques le pueden poner tape, luego marcarlo. I'm just gonna send it. So that was one of my small drill bits. You guys can start with any size drill bit you guys want. So I'm gonna go a little bit bigger now. You know, you guys can paint this after one, you won't rust. Lo pueden pintar después que termine para que no se haga saro. I'm just going with a Sharpie real quick. Paint it later with proper paint. So I think everybody knows by looking at the box where I got this from. The kit comes with a really small bolts, so you could just put into the sheet metal because it is for a Jeep Wrangler. But I'm gonna use the hybrid frame ones. Have it unlocked. Put a washer. I think I'm gonna just go raw. So I'm going to be using a 7/16. Hold it from the back. So since I drilled it close to the edge of the sheet metal, the bolt is locking itself. I'm just using my fingers to keep it in place. Not so tight because you don't want to squish the sheet metal, no tan apretado. Entonces que arruines la lámina. So the kit came with 4 of these screws. You guys can see them. They're super small, and I don't think I want to just tap them there. It's gonna look awkward. But with these bolts, much better. And I do have a key here. Have a look. So it gets locked. All good. Boom. It looks nice. I like it. Got double lock like that. Of course, you know, I'm just doing this. Yes, it is a safety thing. La estoy haciendo más para seguridad. But if somebody really want to steal your gas, like here in, you know, LA, Compton, the city I stay in, just gonna go in there with a drill bit, make a hole, gas tank, and take out your gas. I do have a skip plate down there, so gas is not cheap. Anything that you work for is not free. But you know, gives you a little peace of mind. And yeah, 2 key sets of keys. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. You know, and if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and thank you for watching.